Hey guys, so today we're going to be taking a look at this Sublimation tumbler by BetterSub. It has so many different options that you can use and different attachments. So it comes with a standard one that will fit like a 20 ounce or a 30 ounce tumbler, cylinder tumbler, and also comes with the tumbler set that does the 40 ounce, both the top and the bottom piece. So it's really great that you've got these options. But there are different options that you can get on there just by looking at their site. You can do different glass tumblers. You can even do shot glasses. So there's a lot there that you can choose from. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to be doing this 20 ounce tumbler. The tumbler is also by BetterSub. And so these are sublimation tumblers specifically made for a sublimation tumbler machine like this one from BetterSub. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we turn on the machine, we want to make sure that we've set up the pressure properly. So I've already made some adjustments, and the adjustments are made manually by turning these knobs here. And I'm just going to go ahead and set it in here directly in the center and push down on it, and the pressure is set exactly where it needs to be. The other thing that we're going to need is we're going to need a set of heat resistant gloves, some heat resistant tape, and some parchment paper. And of course, the design you're going to be using to sublimate. Once we have everything ready to go, we'll go ahead and turn the machine on and get it up to the proper temperature. So here are all the pieces that come in the box. You have the cylinder for the 20 and 30 ounce tumbler heat press right in here. And then you have the large one and the smaller one. And then these actually would go together if you're going to do the large 45 ounce tumblers. The other thing it comes with is a spare set of fuses and a spare set of knobs that are right here. To change these out, you're simply going to remove these knobs, pull this off, put the new one back on, and put the knobs back on. It's very simple to do. These two cranks here are for the tension. So when you push this back together, when you have your tumbler in here, it's what gives you the right amount of pressure.
Following the instructions in the manual, turn the machine on, and per the manual, set the temperature for 365 degrees for 45 seconds. Now it's time to place the tumbler in the machine. Close the machine and let it finish its first 45 seconds. Turn it around 180 degrees and put it up again for another 45 seconds. Once it's complete, using heat-resistant gloves, remove it from the machine.
So our tumbler was finished. I've gone ahead and I've turned our machine off so it can begin to cool down. And I have to tell you, it came out absolutely perfect. I've gone ahead and put the lid on. I put the bottom on. It is now ready to be put back into its gift box with the straw and the straw cleaner and be given as a gift. This BetterSub sublimation machine for tumblers is amazing. I give this a 5 out of 5 stars. It was really easy to use. The manual was perfect. I put the settings exactly the way that the manual said, with the exact temperature and the exact amount of time, and I came out with an exact perfect sublimation tumbler. So this is one I highly recommend you pick up.